The 2012-2016 Chevy Sonic uses a transponder key system to prevent unauthorized starting. Transponder keys contain a chip that communicates with the vehicle's immobilizer to allow starting. You can program these keys yourself using affordable OBD2 tools, saving money compared to dealership services. First, you'll need an OBD2 scanner like the Autel AL619, blank transponder keys, and GM-specific software or apps that have been updated to support post-2020 firmware. The process involves reading your car's VIN via the OBD2 port, generating a new key code using the software, and writing it to the ECU and key. Remember to disconnect the battery during programming to avoid electrical shorts and follow the software's step-by-step guide. Note, this is for educational purposes only. Always ensure you own the vehicle and comply with local laws. Unauthorized programming can void warranties or lead to legal issues. Some users report code errors if the vehicle's immobilizer hasn't been reset properly, often requiring a dealer intervention.